Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to add video over video in Davinci Resolve 18. So let's get straight into it. First thing you need to do is import your footage. So I will select this clip, and on top of this clip I will make it bigger. On top of this clip I want to go ahead and make this clip. As you can see, when I put it on top, it's already over my video, but this green screen is in the way. So what would I do? In order to remove this green screen, I would go over to effects right here, and you can also close this media pool if you see it and it is in the way. Then go over here to open effects and search for 3D keyer and apply it to your video. And now first thing you need to do is go up here and change this to open FX overlay so you can see what you are doing. And make sure this one is lit up like this. And then go over to effects, 3D keyer, make sure this one is enabled, and choose this pick icon. And then draw like this, so every white spot disappears from your video. And now as you can see, this man is here, but as you can see, it is not precise. There is a little lines like this. So what you can do is go over here to this dispel, and this slider just move until it disappears. And as you can see, now it is gone. So press Z to make it full screen again. And now we want to move him to the corner and make him bigger. So again, go back here and choose transform. Then make him bigger like this, some sort of like this, and move him to the corner so he is also in the video as well. And easily as that, you can see that I have video over video in Davinci Resolve 18. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. See you next time, and bye bye.